Hey guys, it's me Engineer Dawood. I warmly welcome you guys on my YouTube channel Assembly Institute. In this video, I will let you know about trending skills which is very important for you guys to learn, and after learning these skills, you can sell your product on Fiverr.com, which is very popular freelance marketplace. Before start this video session, I request you guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, it's a humble request to please subscribe and also press the bell icon for upcoming notification. So without wasting time, let's start now. Here you can see that the dashboard of Fiverr.com, Fiverr business. Here there is lots of services available which end user can purchase from here, and the seller sell their services on this platform. So I'm going on the very last option, trending. So what is in trending? There's multiple skills available for you guys to learn, which I will let you know in my upcoming video session. But in this video session, I will tell you in detail about the trending services which different peoples are currently selling on Fiverr.com, and same you can sell your services after learning the same skill. So here is the trending. In trending, almost 10 to 11 products or services available. Like first is drop shipping, most trending, and the second most trending e-commerce marketing, and the third one is game development, and the fourth one is Discord services, and the fifth one NFT services, and the sixth one architecture and interior design. As you know, this skill is especially for engineering guys and for architecture engineers and for interior designer who have good skills, software skills to design interior and exteriors and the structure of building, are able to sell services here. And the seventh one is data, and the eighth one is resume writing. The ninth is search engine optimization, SEO. As you know that SEO, search engine optimization, is very popular and not now from beginner. It's very trending and in demand on freelance marketplace, as most probably on Fiverr.com. And then character modeling, and character modeling is recently added skill here, service. And the second last is character animation, and the very last is image editing. So these are the services different peoples are able to sell here on Fiverr.com. And I request you guys, you can note down these skills and these services, and after that in upcoming video I will let you know from where to learn dropshipping, e-commerce marketing, from where you can learn e-commerce marketing, from where you can learn game development, from where you can learn Discord services, from where you will learn NFT services, from where you will learn architecture and interior design, from where you will learn data, from where you will resume writing, from where you will learn search engine optimization, from where you will character modeling, and the second last is character animation, and the last one is image editing. Guys, if you like this video session, very short video session about trending services which people and different guys selling from different origin of the world, so same you can sell after learning the same skill, and you are able to sell your services on Fiverr.com, and you are able to make money in dollars. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, and also do not feel hesitate to ask me question in comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.